Hello friends, myself Dr. M.B. Chougule would like to welcome all student friends to third year BTech Civil Engineering. In this today's lecture, we are going to introduce the syllabus structure of third year BTech Civil Engineering, and also I am going to introduce the course structure, or you can say the syllabus of water supply engineering along with its laboratory. Friends, if you see the semester 5, we are having 5 subjects: water resources engineering, design of steel structure, water supply engineering, geotechnical engineering, transportation engineering. Each subject is having semester examination 1 and semester examination 2, and also semester end examination. SE1 is 25 marks, SE2 of 25 marks, SEE of 50 marks, and total you can say 100 marks each. Then if you see the laboratory, it is for water supply engineering, geotechnical engineering, transportation engineering, building planning and design. And one more audit subject is the market survey, which is very interesting, where we can understand the various developments or current situation in the market and various aspects which are associated with the civil engineering elements. So total marks, if you see in this semester, are 850 marks are there, and credits are 23 credits are there. Friends, today we will discuss detailed syllabus of the course Water Supply Engineering. It is having the theory lectures of 3 lectures per week. As I told earlier, evaluation process will be of SE1 25 marks, SE2 25 marks, and SEE of 50 marks. So, what are the course objectives? The first one is to understand the various sources of water with respect to quality and quantity of water, to describe and design the various water treatment units, to learn the special water treatments and sequencing treatments of water qualities of surface and groundwater, to design the various components related to transmission and distribution of water, understand the water supply appurtenances, and outline the principle of green building. So, what are the course outcomes? After studying this particular course, on completion of the course, the students will be able to describe the various sources of water with respect to quality and quantity of water. He can describe and design the various water treatment units. Student can illustrate the special water treatments and sequencing of the water treatment for various qualities of surface and groundwater. Also, you can design the various components related to transmission and distribution of water, summarize the different water supply appurtenances, and explain the principle of green building. So, before going to the content of this subject or course, so I would like to tell you, the students, that this subject is very interesting, and also the basic prerequisite part of that as a chemistry. So it is very interesting, and there are various areas where the water supply engineering is necessary, and having the much scope for the students who can take the interest, and they can make the career in the area of water supply engineering or the environmental engineering. The course content in the unit number 1, it requires 6 lectures: sources of water, quantity and quality of sources, demand of water, factors affecting demand, fluctuations in demand, rate of water consumption, design period and population forecast, water quality parameters, characteristics and significance in water treatment, drinking water supply quality, uh, standards, BIS, World Health Organization, WHO standards, intake works, concept of intake well, jack well, and rising main, design of intake well. Unit 2, that requires 6 lectures: Concept of water treatment processes, aeration, types of aerators, design of cascade aerators, coagulation and floculations, theory of coagulation and flocculation, destabilization of colloidal particles, factors affecting coagulation, types of coagulants, methods of dosing of coagulants, jar test, design of rapid mixers and flocculator, sedimentation, theory and types of settling, types of sedimentation tank, design of vertical flow sedimentation tank, concept of clariflocculator, concept of tube and plate settler. Then unit 3, it also comprises of 6 lectures and contents are filtration, mechanism, head loss development, negative head loss, types of filters, slow sand, rapid sand, multimedia and pressure filters, operation and design of rapid sand filter, disinfection and mechanism, factors affecting disinfection, methods of disinfection, chemistry of chlorination, forms of chlorination and practices, water softening processes, lime soda process, ion exchange demineralization. It includes reverse osmosis, electrodialysis, then layout of water treatment unit as per the source. Unit 4, it also comprises 6 lectures which covers reservoirs, necessity, types, capacity determination by analytic and graphical method, transmission of water, pumping and gravity mains, choice of pipe materials, forces acting on the pressure pipes, concept of thrust block, corrosion types and control measures, leakage and pressure testing of pipes. Then unit 5, it comprises of 6 lectures. It is contents are water distribution system, basic requirements, methods of distribution, layout patterns, methods of network analysis, equivalent pipe, Hardy cross method, design problems, use of software in network analysis. So, as I told, it requires 6 lectures. Unit 6, that also has been comprising 6 lectures, and contents are water supply appurtenances, sluice valve, air relief valve, gate valve, non-return valve, scour valve, fire hydrants, water meter, service connections, maintenance and leak detection of water distribution system, green building, concept and materials, energy and water budgeting. So these are the concepts of, or you can say the contents of the various units of water supply engineering. In the theory part, we are also going to study the design of water treatment plant, and the laboratory, in the laboratory work we are going to implement that. So what are the textbook or the books available, or good books available for this? So in the textbook, it is water supply engineering by Dr. P.N. Modi, water supply engineering by S.K. Garg, environmental engineering by HSPV and Dr. D.R. Rowe. Then reference books are Water and Wastewater Technology by Mark Hammer, Manual of Water Supply Treatment by Government of India publication, Introduction to Environmental Engineering by M.L. Davis, and Water Supply Engineering by Dr. P.N. Modi. So these are the good books available for this subject. Let's have the glance on the water supply engineering laboratory practical work. So two practicals will be, you can say 2 hours are allocated per week for a batch. CI, which is continuous internal evaluation of 50 marks will be there. Then what are the course objectives for the laboratory? To make the students good aware about the water and its importance to human survival, understand how to classify and analyze the various quality of parameters of raw water, to understand the required type of treatment and purity of raw water, to analyze problems on water treatment units. What are the course outcomes? On the completion of the course, students will be able to discuss about the importance of water and its quality analysis. They can analyze the various physico-chemical and biological properties of water in case of quality. They can suggest the required type of treatment to purify the raw water, and they can design various water treatment units. Then experiment list or the exercise list is very interesting, in which we are going to study the various laboratory related aspects of water, in which the first one is to find out the pH of water, acidity, alkalinity, chloride content. Next one is the hardness, in which total hardness, temporary and permanent hardness, turbidity, residual chlorine, total dissolved solids through measurement of electrical conductivity, dissolved oxygen, most probable number, optimum dose of alum by bar jar test, design and analysis of problems on water treatment unit. So, friends, this subject is very interesting. Students take interest in this, and the recruitment in the recruitment, if you see, the various vast field is there where students can serve to the society by using the concepts in this particular subject. Especially, it is associated with the environmental engineering in the PG, especially in the post graduation um, area. The water supply engineering is found basic subject. So today, friends, will conclude this session, and in next lectures we'll try to study the various concepts associated with these subjects. Thank you very much.